Hey guys, Alice here. In this video, I'll be taking you step by step on how you can start a profitable and a successful dropshipping business with $0. Yes, you heard me right. If this sounds interesting to you, please do not skip any part of this video and endeavor to watch this video to the very end. And without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. For you to have a successful dropshipping business, you need to know these three funnels that I'm about to share with you in order for you to have a profitable dropshipping business. The funnels include 1. Finding a winning product, 2. Creating a perfect website, and 3. Advertising. These three funnels are very important for you to be able to create a profitable dropshipping business. I'll be explaining these three funnels I just mentioned one after the other for us to understand how we can get started properly in this dropshipping business. Okay, the number one I mentioned earlier is finding a winning product. For you to find a winning product is free. We are not using any of this paid website for you to find a winning product. In this video, we are going to be doing everything free and we'll see have a profitable and a successful dropshipping business. As I earlier said, you don't need to pay a dime to this website that promise to give you winning product when you pay to them. We are going to be doing everything free in this video. So what you are going to do is for you to go to Google, type Google Trend. All right, when you type Google Trend, you are going to click on the first link. Click on the very first link. You will see where you can search for product. What you are going to do is you can decide to search for product that are trendy all over the world, or you can decide to search for product that are trendy in a particular region or in a particular location. Okay, what I will advise is for you to choose products that are trending in a particular region. Okay, you choose the product that is trending in a particular region. Please make sure that this product meet up with these criteria I'm about to mention. Make sure that that product is always trendy. What do I mean? Make sure that product is not a seasonal product. That product should be trendy year in, year out. That's whatever season that we are, that product is trendy. Okay, you are going to be looking for a product that solves a particular problem. You should find a product that is trendy and also solve a particular problem. The reason why we are finding a product that solves a particular problem is this: when we start advertising to this audience that have this problem, that we have found solution with our product, when they see it, they will not hesitate to buy because they know that they already have this problem and they are looking for solution. And here we are, we have provided them with the solution. They will have no option that to click and purchase this product. So keep that in mind. Make sure you find a product that is trendy year in, year out, and that product should solve a particular problem. Okay, now that we have found a winning product, what next? That brings us to the number 2 funnel, which is creating a perfect website. Okay, guys, to be honest, you cannot start a profitable and a successful dropshipping business with $0. That's heartbreaking, right? I know, but you can actually start a successful and a profitable dropshipping business with $1. Yes, you heard me right. That's equivalent to Naira. It should be less than 2,000 Naira. So that is still fair. In my opinion, that is still fair. Shopify is currently doing a promo that you only need to pay $1 for 90 days. That's you need to pay just $1 for 3 whole months. That's awesome, right? I'll be leaving a link in the pinned comment or on the description of this video. Just go click on the link and you are going to sign up with Shopify. You are going to be having access to Shopify for a whole 90 days. That's 3 months. Do not sleep on this, guys. If you have watched this video to this extent, it means it's value for your time. Please consider smashing the like button for me. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Turn on your bell notification to get notified each time I upload a content just like this one. And do not forget to share. It tells the YouTube algorithm that this video was helpful to you and is going to be helpful to a wider audience. So let me give you 3 seconds for you to do that. Subscribe, smash the like button and share. Thank you so much for doing that. Let's continue. That brings us to the number 3 funnel, which is advertising. For us to have a successful and a profitable drop shipping, we need to advertise. You know, we are working with a tight budget, or we know budget. So for that reason, we are going to be making use of organic traffic for our product. And the platform we are going to be choosing for the course of this video is TikTok. Okay, you go and open a TikTok account. Once you open a TikTok account, you are going to be posting your videos. That's the videos to your product, okay? Make sure that these videos are captivating, okay? And also make sure that the first 3 seconds of your video is attention grabbing. Please take note of this thing. Make sure you are using a very catching video, okay? And make sure that the first 3 seconds of your video is attention grabbing. Before you post this video on TikTok, make sure you copy the link that link to your Shopify website. Always make sure that you put that link on the capture of each video you are going to be posting on TikTok. And mind you, don't just go and post 2 videos or 5 videos and you are waiting for sales. It does not work that way, guys. What you need to do is for you to be consistent. Make sure you are promoting this product aggressively with your videos, okay? Once you are consistent and you are posting regularly, and those videos you are posting, they are really catching and interesting, TikTok is going to push those videos out to the right audience, okay? 1 or 2 or even 3 of your videos might go viral. Once they go viral, they will start attracting views. And once they start attracting views, TikTok is going to push these videos to the right audience. As pushing this video to the right audience is, you know, I told you when we were choosing this product, we are choosing the product that solves a particular need. It means once TikTok start pushing this video to the right audience, they are already pushing this video to the people who already have problem for the solution we are bringing. So these people already have this problem and our product want to solve this problem for them. 80 to 90% will buy because they already have this problem. That's why I said you should choose a trendy product that is trendy year in, year out. And secondly, that product should solve a particular problem, okay? So make sure you are consistent, and in no time you'll be having massive sales. Please, when you start having sales, don't forget to invest back into your business. That is bringing out some money and investing in pay ads, because let me assume that you are making $500 in a month or $1,000 in a month. Once you start running ads for that product, if organic advertising can give you $500, just know that when you run ads for that product, like profitable ads for that product, you are going to be making ×3, if not even ×5 of what organic sales is giving you. Do not forget to invest back into your business, okay? So that brings us to the end of the video, guys. Please don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your bell notification to get notified each time I upload a beautiful content like this. The next videos that are displayed on your screen right now are videos that YouTube recommend that you should watch from this channel. Please click any of this video and I will see you in the other side.